Therefore, a moderately active adult weighing 175 pounds needs to consume about 2,800 calories per day in order to maintain his or her weight. A nutritionist recommends that no more than 30% of those calories should come from fat. What is the maximum number of calories per day that should come from fat? So, if I take a look at the statement about the percent in this problem, there's more numbers in there, that's fine, but I want to focus on the percent part. No more than 30% of those calories should come from fat. So if I want to simplify that down again to the simplest percent sentence problem I can come up with, I want to have the words is and of in it, right? So let's just say that I am a normal person. Things that have fat in them taste good, so I want to probably push the limit and eat as much as I possibly can, right? So it says no more than 30, that means 30, right? You tell me no more than 30, I'm going to say 30. If you say no more than 20, I'm going to go 20. I'm not going to say, well, no more than 30, I'm going to go 17 because I'm a good guy. No, fat tastes good, and we're going to eat as much as we're allowed to, right? So, and we're going to listen to this nutritionist because that's smart. So 30% of the calories is fat. And you might be looking at my sentences and see that, and you see the word calories right next to is, you might be thinking are. Okay, just a quick little grammar lesson for you here. I'm not an English teacher by profession, but I know this much. The words of the calories is a prepositional phrase. It's not the sentence, or it's not the subject of the sentence. The subject is 30%. 30% is fat. Anything less than 1 is going to get a singular verb on it. So 30% of the calories is fat. So what I see then, once I simplify it down to that statement, what I don't know is how many calories of fat I get to do, right? I don't know how much fat calories I get to eat, but I do know that I'm allowed to have 2,800 calories per day. So that 2,800 calories per day is all the calories I'm allowed. That represents the whole amount. The whole amount's always associated with the word of. So 30% of 2,800 calories is fat. So again, I took this ginormous word problem that's got 7 lines to it, and simplified it down to this really basic percent sentence problem. So again, that's going to be your challenge in this chapter, is that you take these wordy problems and find that simple little percent sentence problem out of the facts in the problem. And once again, once I get down to that point, it's just going to be is over of equals percent over 100. We're going to have our structure here. The percent dealt with first, so 30% goes on top. And then the word of, right here, is next to both the, this is going to be hard to get along with today. Guess we only get to use 2 colors today. There we go. Of is next to 30%, it's also next to 2,800, but again, 30%, we've already used that. So of 2,800, 2,800 goes in the bottom. Then we look at the word is. Here's is. Is next to 2,800, it's also next to fat. Well, we already did of 2,800, so 2,800's out. We've already used it, right? So that doesn't exist anymore. So is fat, that's what we're looking for. How much fat can we consume?
So we wouldn't do anything with the 170.
That's just, and that's an extra number, and that happens sometimes. It says their weight is 175, so they're asking about calories, not weight. So you have to be cautious there that sometimes they'll throw some extra numbers in. So this is just a fact about people 175. I'd like to kind of know what a person around 235 would have to do, so I'd know how many calories I get to eat and maintain my weight. Go under that a little bit, lose a little weight, still get to eat food. That'd be kind of nice, but anyway. So, but again, the 175 is just the weight so I'm guessing if the number is 235, this might be 3,200 or something. I'm not a nutritionist or anything, but the more weight you have, the more calories you need to maintain that weight. So, if you weigh more, then you get to consume more. If you want to maintain, if you want to lose, you got to go under that number. So, F times 100. That's 100F equals 30 times 2,800. Get the bigger numbers here, so 30, oh shoot. $30 times 2,800 is 84,000. And then we simply divide both sides by 100. And that's easy enough, just drop 2 zeros off both numbers, so F equals 840 calories. So the person eating the 2,800 calories per day to maintain their healthy body weight of 175 should be eating up to 840 calories of fat calories in the 2,800 calories altogether. The other 1,960 calories should be nice, healthy, non-fat calories to maintain a healthy, I guess, metabolism while they're maintaining a healthy weight.